Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Web Pro Education's daily tech tips. And in today's video, we're learning how to make your Instagram account private. Now, your Instagram account is public by default. Anyone can see your profile, look at your pictures, leave comments, and even follow you on Instagram. But you can make your account private, and that way, only the people you allow will be able to interact with you on Instagram. So all you need to do is find and launch the Instagram app on your smartphone. And then you want to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right side to open your profile page. And then on your profile page, just tap on the three lines at the top right side. And from the menu that pops up, tap on settings at the bottom of that page. On the settings page, look for privacy and tap on it. And then under connections, find account privacy and tap on that. Now on this page, you find this toggle button where you can turn your account private and public. Now when the switch is turned off, as it is right now, it means the account is public and anyone can see and access everything in it. To make your Instagram account private, simply tap on that switch to toggle it on, and my account is now private. So that's how to make your Instagram account private. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.